Welcome to another video, guys, and it's Sunday night, 31st of December 2023, New Year's Eve, and we're about 20 minutes to midnight. Unfortunately, this is what New Year's Eve looks like in Kidsgrove, pouring rain for most of 2023. It's been pouring rain. I just thought I'd take a little walk out and just see if we can see any fireworks. Such a shame. I had planned to head up to Cheshire View and get the view of all the fireworks going off across Cheshire, maybe even see across to Manchester, but it's windy, it's rainy, impossible. But hopefully, let's see what we can see in Kidsgrove tonight. Well, at the moment, nobody else around. Currently crossing Shakespeare Close to the left, Windmill Avenue to the right. Okay, we're going to take a little left down Longgrove. We'll just go to Kidsgrove Bank. It's now 11:44. 16 minutes to go to 2024. I've seen a lot of people have posted that we're going to get the drones up tonight to do checking out the fireworks, but they've got no chance of that. It's really, really heavy rain. The rain looks to be stopping, believe it or not, just gone past midnight. I don't know if anybody's still going to get the fireworks going tonight. I'm sure if they bought them, they're definitely going to be doing that. We'll see how heavy the rainfall is and the light there. And we're now approaching Longgrove and Kidsgrove Bank. And this bit here is normally where it floods quite a lot. Kidsgrove Bank, pretty quiet. Not much going on. So I might just take a quick walk down to the town hall and back. And we're just coming up to the town hall. Rain's getting heavier. And the clock's showing 10 minutes to midnight. We've got the Christmas tree, still looking good. And there we go, guys, there's the beautiful town hall, Victoria Hall, here in Kidsgrove, on this blustery New Year's Eve. It looks as though there is an event going on at the Victoria Hall tonight. What we'll do, we'll wait for the clock to hit midnight here at the town hall, and then we'll walk back home and see if we can see any fireworks. We've got about 6 minutes to go according to the clock here at the Victoria Hall, and it's still pouring rain. Absolutely pouring rain. You can hear some fireworks going off now. So they're a little bit on the early side, can't see any, but can definitely hear them there. Okay, 23:56, about 3 minutes left to go then. So I'm going to leave the camera rolling for the next few minutes now. And let's see if we can see any fireworks around the area here. Still a lot of people in the Victoria Hall. Again, don't know what's going on there, whether that's a private party or not. Pouring rain. Temperature about 5 Celsius. So it's not cold, but wow, this rain is really, really spoiling it for everyone, I guess. And as you can see, pretty dead around here, not many cars around Kidsgrove at the end of 2023. So we had a spectacular year in 2023 for travelling. Over to Australia, Ayers Rock, Sydney, Brisbane, New York City, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, San Francisco. And of course we brought you all these stunning videos from the UK. Join us in 2024, heading back to Australia, Sydney and Brisbane. Going over to Orlando, Florida, that should be pretty cool. And then of course, back to California in August. And we'll also be bringing you lots of videos from the local area here in Kidsgrove and throughout the UK. Okay, we've got to be about maybe a minute to go. You'll probably hear the iPhone chime at midnight. There were a few people at the doors of the Victoria Hall, but they've all actually gone in now to celebrate the new year. You'll probably hear the crowd in the Victoria Hall as well. Got to be less than a minute to go now. There's the fireworks starting. And there we go. Midnight. Happy New Year, guys. 2024. Bringing it from here in Kidsgrove. Beautiful Victoria Hall. And you can hear all the fireworks now. I can't see any. So we'll head back home. You see a few fireworks off in the distance. Down there. And if we look this way, here we go, fireworks going off. Wow. So a whole new year, 2024. Amazing. Just have a turn around to see if we can see anything. Quite a few fireworks going off down towards the Clough Hall Butt Lane area. Just leave it running now. So as you can see, not many cars about. And that's what Kidsgrove Bank looks like. 1 minute past midnight, 2024, January. So we've all got now 365 days of new opportunities. Still hear a lot of the fireworks going off. So wished I could have gone up Cheshire View. So I'm going to head up into Longrow. See if we can see any up there. I'm sure you can hear all the fireworks going off. And this is going to be the first video that we bring you in 2024. Yeah, it looks like there's plenty going off Butt Lane, Clough Hall area. Not a lot around the Ravenscliff area. So we're going to head up past Nelson's buildings. I believe the London fireworks are absolutely spectacular. I think the Prime Minister said there are a few surprises. I'm guessing they're probably using like drones or lasers. And you can hear more of the fireworks around this area, but I can't see them. And believe it or not, the rain is now starting to go off. It's certainly windy.